Hello, my name is Katharina Schweiger. I'm a science communicator at ASIP, and I am also the work package leader of science communication and dissemination at the Piezo4Spine project. And for those who are not familiar with the Piezo4Spine project, we are developing a new therapy for spinal cord injury. And we are doing this with a therapeutic mesh, a 3D printed therapeutic mesh, the so-called TheraMesh. And this is implantable into the spinal cord. And this is also integrated with nanoparticles, and they deliver the therapeutics to the neurons and for neuron regeneration. And we are here today at the ESIP, the European Summit of Industrial Biotechnology. And joining me is Duarte Moura. He is a scientist at Blackdrop, an esteemed partner of the Piezo4Spine project. And Duarte, maybe you can introduce yourself, your scientific background, and where you're from.
Yeah, sure. So my name is Duarte. I work at Blackdrop as a bioprinting specialist. And the Blackdrop is currently located in Darmstadt, Germany. And just for you to know a little bit about my background, I enrolled in the biomedical engineering course, and where I had the chance to pursue in a PhD, where I had the opportunity, of course, to focus on the bioprinting area.
I heard that you've only recently joined Blackdrop, and by extension, of course, also the Piezo4Spine project. So what is the fascinating thing about the project, and also your role in the project, maybe?
Okay, so I'll say that it's very exciting to work at Blackdrop because we can actually use the high advanced technology, let's say, to improve the quality of people's life. And of course, here in the Piezo4Spine project, we can use this technology. I can apply my knowledge, my experience to work on a device, in this case, the TheraMesh, for the treatment of the spinal cord.
Maybe you can also give us a short overview of what Blackdrop's expertise, the core expertise is, and what you are doing beyond Piezo4Spine.
Okay, I'll say that our mission is basically to provide high advanced bioprinting techniques. So our goal, besides to provide the state of art of bioprinting, is also to, let's say, produce the bioinks to develop the different materials, the different biomedical devices.
And you are also doing some organ printing or tissue printing, or?
You mean for the Piezo4Spine?
Not for the Piezo4Spine. Here you are doing the TheraMesh, but for other projects, or I don't know, for your expertise.
So we are, of course, we have different projects where we are involved. I will say that we haven't reached yet the full development of an organ. We are involved in different projects, including the cardiovascular, also the neuronal, and the drug delivery.
Very interesting. Thank you so much. It's really cutting-edge technology here. So let's go back to the Piezo4Spine project. So can you share with us some recent breakthroughs of what you have done in the project?
Yes. So one of the main, I would say, breakthroughs that we achieved was the miniaturization of the TheraMesh. So this was kind of hard to accomplish. And right now we also we are in constant contact with our partners, of course, and we are having some feedback regarding the in vitro and also the in vivo, which provide us some good results. So
Duarte already mentioned, so we have a lot of partners in the Piezo4Spine project, but exactly 7 partners. And maybe you can also get a little bit into detail how it is to work with such a diverse team, because we have a very multidisciplinary team.
Yeah.
So with whom are you working, and on which areas are you working with them?
Yes. So like you said, we have a diverse team, and of course it's very good from the scientific part, but also from the personal part, because if you look to the scientific part, I would say having this constant feedback how the TheraMesh is behaving is very good, and then from the personal part, it's always good to have some new contacts and also to have the discussions regarding our results.
Maybe we already come to the end of this interview. So yesterday we had a satellite workshop about the 3D printing innovations, and you also did some hands-on demonstrations. And we are at the ESIP now. So how was your impression from this workshop? And in general, how do you like the ESIP?
Yes, I guess it was very good. So the workshop went very well. We had like a good group of people. They were very interested in the topic. And so I guess for the science communication, was very good to have such a group of people. And regarding the ESIP, so this is my first time here. So I'm kind of surprised by the diversity of the topics, let's say, and also by the organization. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. And for how do you profit from the ESIP? So are you networking a lot?
Yes,
or? Okay.
That's true. We are networking a lot. So we have the chance, me and my colleague, to go on the different benches, to talk with different people. And it's also always good to have some feedback.
Thank you very much, Duarte. It was a pleasure to interview you. And thank you for watching this video.